and welcome to Curriculum 624. The first one and second one you're probably pretty familiar with from 548. The first is the reading reflections. Each week you'll submit a 1 to 2 page reflection. I'll show you where on Canvas. Remember, you're going further beyond just summarizing the text. You really want to look to examples you've seen, questions that you still have, connections you made. Then we also have our weekly group discussion meeting and summaries. So you're going to meet with your group each week. You can meet online or you can meet in person, and you're going to write a brief summary and post it on the discussion board on Canvas. Attendance is mandatory, but your group can change the time based on your needs. Then you also have 3 other assignments: the resource and technology, bibliography and webliography, the instructional project, and the professional development presentation and reflection. And we'll talk more about those in the individual explanation videos. Here's our course schedule, which is also reflected on the Canvas calendar website. This one's a little bit more detailed, so I still recommend that you print it off. Same format as 548. All of our readings are generally due on Mondays, but you can I would aim for the weekend to get those done. Your reading reflections are always due on Tuesdays at 11:59 p.m., and your bigger projects are always due on Fridays. We have spring break in the middle of the semester, and we also have Great Day. If you have any need for any of the citations for any of our course readings this semester, here they are already formatted for you in APA 6th edition. If you have a disability and you would like to make some accommodations, please let me know as soon as you can. I'd be happy to work with you to set up a successful semester. As most of you already know, I will email you back within 24 hours on weekdays and within 48 hours on weekends and holidays, but generally it's sooner. Please don't hesitate to email me to set up a time to meet. We can talk on the phone, we can meet in person, we can Skype, whatever works for your schedules. We can make it work so we can talk and figure out any questions that you might have. For grading assignments, I always aim to have them done within 72 hours of the due date. Usually the reading reflections I can get back to you right on Wednesday after you submit them on Tuesdays. And the bigger projects usually take me the weekend, so I usually have them back to you by Monday. Make sure we're always using people first language. Just a reminder that computer issues, this is an online class, so reliable internet and a reliable computer is needed. The library on campus has available technology if necessary. Also your local library if you don't live near campus. Aim for about 3 hours of work per week plus the 1-hour group meeting. So you should not only be doing your readings and your reading reflection each week, but you should also be working on your projects. As you'll see in the explanation video, they are overarching throughout the semester. So it's better if you can get them started and get them going throughout the semester instead of leaving it. Any missing work or late work is a result of 10% off per day. Please let me know if you know you're going to have an issue completing an assignment by the due date. I'm happy to work out a different schedule and a different arrangement for you. The Writing Learning Center and the Library Research Help are great. They are both there to help you with assignments. Please note the academic dishonesty and plagiarism policy. If you have any questions on, what is the policy of plagiarism or how to properly represent somebody else's work, please check out the website. And a note on our weekly group meetings. When you talk with your group mates, this is really a time for self-reflection and to think about different things going on in your career. So if your group members mention the name of a student or school or another teacher, it is meant to be within the context of your group discussion. You shouldn't have to worry that what you share will leave the group discussion. We should all be professionals and supportive of our fellow teachers. Here's some other resources if you're interested. And then here's our School of Ed Graduate Conceptual Framework. Remember, we're aiming to be teachers as accomplished scholars, accomplished constructivist educators, and accomplished reflective practitioners. So now, if we go back to Canvas, sorry, that was my dog. If we go back to Canvas, each week, you'll have a different module. And each module will link the different activities and readings you need to do. The assignments will also be linked if you have a part of the assignment due each week, but if you just want to get to the assignment pages, they're down here at the bottom of the modules. So, for instance, this week, Sorry, I'll change this. By Tuesday at 11:59 p.m., you need to review the syllabus, watch this video, and take the syllabus quiz. The syllabus quiz isn't graded. It's just to check in and make sure you understood everything in the syllabus. Fill out the weekly schedule document so we can schedule our group meetings based on your availability. The Getting to Know You discussion board, and buy your course text. Get that as soon as possible because your reading does start next week. And then by Friday, you're going to respond to 3 of your classmates on the Getting to Know You forum. Each week, there's a little audio summary. It'll go over our objectives and what's coming up and any little tidbits I wanted to make sure to add in for you. If we look at week 2 follows the general pattern that you'll see every week. Week 1's just getting ourselves set up for a productive semester. So, our objectives for week 2, we're going to review the foundations of English language learners, prepare for the semester's assignments. Here's our readings. And then you're going to complete, there's an online module about effective instructional practices. You're going to watch the explanation video for the instructional project, which is linked right here. Watch the explanation video for the professional development project, which is linked here as well. Submit your reading reflection and post your group discussion summary. So if we look at our reading reflection, each week, some of you might have previously done this on Google Documents, but we'll be doing it on Canvas here. So you can submit it as a text box entry or a file. So you can upload a Word document, which is easier because then I can add comments and just email it back to you. So as always, here's your rubric. And then you just click up here to submit the assignment. And then your group discussion summary. The first 7 weeks will be posted on this discussion board, and then after it'll be posted on the other one. So just include the date of the meeting, who attended, and then the summary of what you discussed. Your grades are also readily available on Canvas. It'll keep up to date for you. So, as always, let me know if you have any questions as we get started on this semester or any time throughout the semester, and I'm looking forward to working with you.